So I recently came across this question, which one should I use? Refresh all, or queries and connections? If you ever been confused by these options, don't worry. By the end of this video, you will know exactly when to use each one. So let's say there are three queries. Sales, customers, products. Let's say my workbook has three queries: sales, customers, and products. Then now imagine only the sales data has changed. In this case, I don't need to refresh everything. I can simply use refresh. Okay, and only that particular query will be updated. Okay, if only sales data is changed, then we will go for sales. Then only sales query will be updated. ओके, सो ऐसे केसेस में हम सिर्फ रिफ्रेश यूज़ करेंगे जहाँ पे सिर्फ कोई एक क्वेरी का डेटा जो है वो चेंज हुआ है. ठीक है. एंड नेक्स्ट, इफ़ ऑल डेटा चेंज्ड, अगर सारा का सारा डेटा चेंज हो जाता है, देन वी विल गो फॉर रिफ्रेश ऑल. ओके जी. सो इट्स समथिंग like, but what if I am not sure which data has changed, or I am about to send this report to my manager? In that case, I will use refresh all, because it updates all the queries and connections in the workbook. Okay, next scenario is now. Let's talk about the most confusing one: queries and connection. This is not another refresh option. It's simply a place where you can see all your queries, manage them, edit them, or refresh a specific one. So for those cases, we can use queries and connection to list all of the queries. So let me create one table for you. Here we can have option, and here we will have use when. Refresh one query, refresh all, entire workbook, queries and connections, manage queries. So here is the easiest way to remember it: refresh, update one query; refresh all, update everything; queries and connection, view and manage your queries. That's it. Simple, right? So it's like, so the next time someone asks you, should I use refresh all, or queries and connection, you know exactly which option to choose. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Power BI and Excel tips. See you in the next one.